Now, certain results in probability theory. These results are very simple results, but they are important. The first result is the sum of the probabilities of all elementary events equal to 1. First one, the sum of probabilities of all elementary events equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities of elementary events equal to 1. So we know an elementary event is an event which consists of only one single outcome. Suppose the total number of outcomes is n. Total number of outcomes is n. That is the sample space. Sample space means the collection of all outcomes. Sample space consists of n outcomes. Consists of n outcomes. And an event in this S consists of only one outcome. Therefore, there are en such outcomes. N such outcomes. If E1 is the first event, E2 the second event, E1 consisting of the first outcome, E2 the event consisting of the second outcome, etc. The En consisting of the n outcome. Nth outcome. Then this probability of Ei is equal to 1 by n, I equal to 1, 2, etc. There are n outcomes. This event consists of only one outcome. That is favorable to this event, there is only one outcome. So the probability is 1 by n. Probability of E2 1 by n, etc. Probability of En 1 by n. So this probability of Ei equal to 1 by n, i from 1 to n. Therefore, this probability of E1 plus probability of E2 plus etc. plus probability of En is equal to 1 by n plus 1 by n plus etc. plus 1 by n time, which is equal to n by n, which is equal to each Ei consists of only one outcome, that is favorable to Ei only one. So probability is 1 by n, since there are n items, outcomes in the sample space. So we get the required result. The probabilities of the sum of the probabilities of all elementary events equal to 1. So that is the first result. And then the second one is probability of impossible equal to 0 and probability of sure event is equal to 1. Probability of impossible event is 0 and probability of sure event equal to 1. So consider the collection of all sample outcomes, sample space S equal to this S consists of all outcomes. Then probability of impossible event. Impossible event means it is impossible to occur, that event. Suppose E is an impossible event. E, an impossible event. Then this E is impossible to occur. That means there is no outcome favorable to this E in S. This S consists of all outcomes. Suppose n in number, this S consists of n outcomes. So, among these n outcomes, none is favorable to this E because it is impossible to occur. Number of outcomes favorable to E is 0, and therefore this probability of E is equal to 0 by n is equal to 0. Number of outcomes favorable to E 0. No outcome favorable to E because impossible to occur. So the probability of this impossible event equal to 0. And now probability of sure event. Sure event means it is sure to occur. It is sure to occur. And now consider this case. Consists of n outcomes. Then first outcome, which will be favorable to this sure event. If E is the sure event, then the first outcome is favorable to E because the first outcome means that in the experiment the first result is obtained and that is favorable to E because E is sure to occur. So if the first outcome is the result, then that should be favorable to E. Then second outcome, that also favorable to E because this E is sure to occur. So all the outcomes are favorable to this E, sure event. Therefore, probability of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes to E, which is n divided by total number of outcomes n, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. So this result. And now then next is, if E is any event, then 0 less than or equal to probability of E less than or equal to 1. Suppose E is an event, then if it is an impossible event, its probability is 0. If it is a sure event, then its probability is 1. Then the other possibility is an event which is such that it is not zero, not impossible, not sure, then that means E lies between, the probability of E lies between 0 and 1. This E is a part of the collection of all outcomes, the sample space. So probability of E lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So in general case, we see that 0 less than or equal to probability less than or equal to 1. Or in other words, consider this E an event and S consisting of all outcomes, sample space, all outcomes. Then E, favorable to this E, the number of outcomes favorable to this E. Either there is no outcome favorability or the full favorability or a part of this favorability. If there is no outcome favorability, then probability of E is 0. If all outcome favorable to E, then probability of E equal to 1. If a part of this subset of, proper subset of this E is favorable to E, then probability of E less than 1. So in that case we say that generally 0 less than or equal to probability less than or equal to 1. So in general case, for any event, the E 0 less than or equal to probability of E less than or equal to 1. Okay, and then next is this probability of E plus probability of E complement is equal to 1. Probability of E plus probability of E complement is equal to 1. So E and E bar, consider this E and E bar. The totality of these two, E and E bar, will be the full collection of outcomes, the sample space. The sample space. So probability of E and the probability of the C bar. If number of elements favorable to the C, total number of elements in the sample space is suppose N. The full collection of outcomes is N in number. And suppose this P are favorable to E, this N P are favorable to E, then its probability of E is equal to P by N. In that case, this E bar, for this E bar, this N minus P, the remaining are favorable to this E bar, not E. So N minus P are favorable to this E bar. Therefore, probability of E bar is equal to N minus P by N. In this case, probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to P by N plus N minus P by N, which is equal to N by N, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. So probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. Equal to 1. And in this case, we see that this probability of an event is equal to 1 minus probability of E bar. 1 minus probability of E bar. Or this probability of E bar is 1 minus probability of E. So E and E are complementary events, means probability of E is 1 minus E bar, or probability of E bar is 1 minus probability of E, or in general probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to 1. So these are all the various important results which we require in probability theory. Okay.